Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Take a look at this fantastic Volkswagen T-ROC TSI Black Edition that does come complemented in the modernised Metallic Indium Grey exterior. It does really contrast well with those stunning and advanced features. As a 1 litre petrol engine, it is the ideal spacious upgrade for any families or individuals. Complete as a 2021 edition, it does come in exceptional condition with plenty of top features, including being complemented by your detailed pattern design alongside enhanced visibility with your LED headlights and of course sleek black roof rails just above. For added protection, you do also have your power folding heated door mirrors and full parking sensors. Stepping into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to accommodate all your travel needs and day-to-day items. Stepping inside now, you will find a full cloth interior for enhanced comfort with access to your central power outlets and pull-down armrests. Moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel with access to your digital cockpit screen and central touch display, providing much entertainment all round. Just opposite, you do have enough storage in your central console alongside your 2 front cloth seats, again very comfortable for front travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your multifunctional options on your steering wheel containing various audio controls and options to navigate around your cockpit screen and display vital driving data. You do also have enhanced safety with your lane assist, adaptive cruise and speed limit features. Moving across into your central touch display screen, this vehicle does come equipped with your MirrorLink Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via your wireless app Connect, alongside a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained out on the open road. To keep an eye on the overall condition of the vehicle, of course you do have your on-screen display of your vehicle information and driving data. For further safety, you do also have your assist system, including your IQ drive and front and rear parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse. Added assistance when you are in those tighter spots. You do even have your on-screen display of your dual climate control for much easier access and a more tailored temperature, especially on those longer trips. And your main controls for this are located just below, alongside your option for your front and rear heated windscreen in the winter months, followed by your handy power outlets, small charging pocket and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.